Welcome to episode 2 of Plot Twist, my new Excel chart series where we get creative and transform data into stunning visualizations. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to create a sliced donut chart that we can use to track progress. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For example, here we have the percent complete and incomplete we are to our sales goal, and we need to visualize this data to present to our boss later. This is a perfect opportunity for a sliced donut chart. To create a sliced donut chart, first we need to insert a donut chart by selecting the complete and incomplete percentages, navigating to the Insert tab, opening the pie or donut chart dropdown, and selecting the donut chart. Next, I like to clean up the chart a little bit by deleting the chart title and the legend by selecting each element in the chart and hitting the delete key. Now that we've created the donut chart, we need to add a second data series to the chart that's going to give the donut that sliced look. To add a data series, right-click the donut, hit Select Data, and click the Add button in the Legend Entries window. Let's name this data series Slices, and now we just need to enter an array of ones as the series values. Each one is going to represent one slice in the donut chart, so I'm going to enter 21 separated by a comma so that there are 20 slices in my donut chart. You're welcome to enter as many or as little ones as you want. So for example, if you prefer to have 10 slices in your donut chart, just enter 10 ones separated by a comma here. Once you've entered the number of ones equal to the number of slices you want your donut chart to have, hit OK to add the new data series to the chart. Now that we've added our donut slices, we need to reformat the chart by right-clicking the new data series and selecting Format Data Series. First, we need to make the hole in our donut chart smaller by setting the donut hole size equal to 50%, and then we need to select a color for our donut chart by selecting the Format icon, opening the Color Fill drop-down menu, and selecting any color. Next, we need to stack these data series on top of each other so that we can't see both of them by selecting Change Chart Type, selecting Combo, and checking the secondary box for series number 1. Now just hit OK to stack the original donut chart on top of our sliced data series. Lastly, we need to reformat this data series so that we can see the slices below by selecting and then right-clicking the complete portion, selecting Format Data Point, and choosing the No Fill option under the Fill section. Next, let's format the incomplete portion by selecting it in the chart, updating the color to white using the color dropdown, and increasing the transparency to 30% so that we can slightly see the slices below it. Alright, this is looking pretty good. One last final touch I like to do is add the complete percentage to the middle of the donut chart. To add this value to the chart, insert a shape by navigating to the Insert tab, opening the Shapes dropdown, and selecting Rectangle. Insert the rectangle in the center of the donut, and then set the shape equal to the complete percentage by selecting the formula bar, entering an equals sign, selecting the complete percentage in cell C3, and hitting Enter. Now we just need to remove the shape formatting by opening the Shape Styles dropdown and selecting the first preset with no background, no outline, and plain black text. Lastly, let's make the percentage a little bit bigger and center it inside the donut by navigating to the Home tab, increasing the font size, and pressing the Align Middle and Align Center commands. And just like that, we've officially created a delicious looking sliced donut chart. This sliced donut chart is guaranteed to impress and help you stay on track. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to keep up with our new Plot Twist series.